Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to revise you season's name which we have already done in our previous videos. Now open your copy and do your work again with me. Children, on the top of the page you will write the heading of season's name. And children, do you know that how many seasons in a year? Yes, there are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Now write here the name of seasons. Number 1 is spring, and the spelling of spring is S-P-R-I-N-G. R-I-N-G, spring. Now you will draw the picture of spring. There are many flowers in the spring, so we will draw here the picture of spring. This is very easy picture of flower. So you will draw the flower here, and then you will color in it. And number second one is, and the second season is summer. So you will write here the spelling of summer, and the spelling of summer is S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Now read it again, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. And now you will draw here the picture of sun, because summer is very hot season. So we will draw here the picture of sun. And the third one is autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn. What is the spelling of autumn? Read it again, A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn. Now here we will draw a tree with fallen leaves, because in this season the leaves have fallen. Now fourth one is winter. The spelling of winter is W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. And here we will draw snowman, because the snowman is the symbol of winter, the cold season. So it is very easy. You can easily draw in your copies. Then you will color in all of them. Okay children, I hope you will understand and you will learn also the name of seasons. Now you will read with me again. This is spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. I hope children you will read this season's name again and again at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.